Okay, I'm going to do a little demo video today on these. These are clamps that I made out of PVC pipe. I saw a video for it on YouTube, and it's just, this is a 4-inch piece of PVC pipe used for drains. You see a split right there. You can cut it to different widths. The wider it is, the stronger it is. Kind of like this. This one's not so wide, and it's very easy to bend. You can see. And this one's a little wider. It's a lot more difficult. Very difficult with one hand. And this one's a lot wider and very hard to open with one hand. In fact, I don't think I can do it. But what I did was I went to a construction site and I found these pieces of PVC in the dumpster, and I just cut them to length. It'd probably be safer to do this on a bandsaw than a chop saw, but I did it on my chop saw. I initially started to do it with a small piece that was already cut. This is probably a 5-foot piece, at 6 foot. Well, it was about 6 foot when I found it, of 2-inch PVC pipe. I think 3-inch would probably be an optimal pipe size to use. And you can cut it using your bandsaw, your chop saw, to however long or wide you want to make the clamp. And they work really well. Say that you want to glue 2 pieces of plywood together, but you don't have enough clamps. So what you want to do is take a bunch of these, spread them out after you line it up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And it'll squeeze them together for you. And of course, the more clamps you have, the better it will clamp it down for you. And they work really well for that. Mainly the thinner stuff. I don't think it, you could probably get it to work for 2x4s if you made the cut in it bigger, I think, or a bigger size like this one here. This one probably work for a 2x4. Can't get it open with one hand. But yeah, you could probably spread that open enough for a couple 2x4s. But you just have a drawer full of these laying around. Just spread them apart. Glue your pieces of wood together. Just clamp them on there. And voila. I thought it was an interesting video. Very informative, very useful. Because most of the time you want to use the spring clamps like these. And I have lots of these, but they get lost. People move them. Or I put them down somewhere and can't remember where I put them. You see, does the same thing. I don't think this one would be quite that strong, but I think this one give it a run for its money. I don't think this one be as strong. This one probably give it a run for its money. And like I said, this one is, my left hand is kind of weak from a nerve in my neck, but I think that would work good for 2x4s, it being bigger like that. But I thought it was interesting, and I just wanted to do a quick video on it. Let you guys see, as well as these are the goodies that my friend Robert Nerdin, that's him right there, from the UK, sent me. Took 3 weeks to get here from the UK. I guess customs held it up in New York for like 2 weeks, but it got here finally. Thank you, Robert. And again, clamps from PVC pipe. Who'da thunk it?